Giadív a Carja. Hello everyone. And Shacton Shaw, this week, Tamwajigirius Jack, La Illa Valentine. This week, we'll be covering the topic of Valentine's Day. August ben Wajig Kellery, La Illa Valentine, and we will be celebrating Valentine's Day Erin Donach Vog Shaw this Sunday. La Illa Valentine, Valentine's Day. On La Illa Valentine, Valentine's Day, you may say or hear someone else say Ta gra ogam ditch, meaning I love you. Ta gra ogam ditch. As a gift, you may give someone a box of chocolate, a box of chocolates. Other people express their feelings or let someone know how much they appreciate them by giving them a bunch of blahana, flowers, blahana. And lastly, in order to express your gratitude and appreciation for the gifts that you have received, you would say, Guru Mayogit. Thank you, Guru Mayogit.
Lergus. Fun language learning.